Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error when you can't activate your FaceTime. So for doing this you just need to go to the settings, so just open the settings and just find here FaceTime. So just open the FaceTime and here you need to turn off your FaceTime and just go back to the settings, go to general, just click on shutdown and just slide to power off. So just restore your device. So after it will turn off, just keep holding power button for turning it on. And just wait until it will successfully load our system. So now you just need to go back to the settings, and here you just find again FaceTime, and now you just click here for activating it again, so just click here. And just wait some time until it will reactivate your FaceTime on your phone. So if it doesn't help you, you can also go back to the settings, and in the settings you need to find your general. So just open the general here, and here you find just scroll down until you will see here reset. Just open reset and just try to reset network settings. So just click on reset network settings and just confirm resetting it. And another thing you can also try is to go to the date and time and just click on set automatically. You need to fix here that you set automatically time, and you can also just disconnect here, disable and enable again. So sometimes it also helps. And the last thing you can also try, it's to go back and just try to swipe up and just try to turn on airplane mode and turn off it. So just try. So I hope that one of these methods will help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.